a 1963 Plymouth. Yeah, what is this thing? Yeah, had to think about it for a second. This is a Plymouth Sport Fury. So I got this car out of Chico, California. And, you know, I wasn't really into these that long ago. But now I really like these earlier Mopars. So, yes, this car is rough. I understand. But definitely can be brought back to life. So, some hopes or dreams I have for it would be, I want to do like, probably going to try to build it out with the 413. And I'm thinking some sort of, I don't know, max wedge or street wedge 426 type thing. Obviously it's not going to be as great as the real thing back in the day when they built them, but it's as close as I can get. So this is the start of it. I wanted to do a video. It's early in 2024. It's March 2nd, and we'll see where it gets. I'm gonna try to do like a monthly update on it, even if on April 2nd it's sitting right here in the same spot doing the exact same thing, which is nothing at the moment. But that's my goal, is try to do something with it. There's a lot of little things on this car that I really love, and kind of wish I wouldn't have waited so long to buy one of these. They used to be so cheap, but now they're hard to find, very hard to find. I have a similar car coming later this week that we're going to build up the same way as this one. But here at Rough and Ready Rides, you never know what we're going to work on next. Could be a Ford, or could be a Honda car, or could be a Chevy golf cart. Who knows? There's a project right behind the Honda car that I'll be doing a video about shortly. So stay tuned to check out all the other crazy stuff we're going to be working on this year, 2024.